Hi, good morning dear 8th class students. How are you all? I hope everyone doing well. Okay, fine. In this video we are going to continue the story The Tattered Blanket where we stopped in the previous video. Okay, so hoping you can definitely understand it. So I am going to read the passage. Everyone please look into your books. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. "Oh, Gopi," she said in her grating voice, "why this sudden, unexpected visit?" So, look, my dear students, basically, before going to explain this, let us rewind what happened in the first video. The man who left his family many years ago, he came back to his home. That time, the mother who sat in the veranda in her armchair wants to know about him who came to their home. But unfortunately, she tried to get up. But that attempt was unsuccessful. That's why she called her daughter Kamala and she given an order to go and check who came to our home. So immediately, that time basically Kamala doesn't have any interest to go and see. But according to her mother's word, she obeyed her mother's word and she slowly walking towards the gate. So then what will happen? So she saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man coming from the gate. See, basically, bald means having no hair on the head. Maybe there is a little hair. So such a people we call bald people. So she saw a bald, middle-aged man, a young man. So he is none other than his own brother Gopi. So when she looked first time after it gave him, immediately she said with a great surprising, with a great exciting, "Oh Gopi, why this sudden unexpected visit?" She said this in her grating voice. Grating voice means not having interest. So with the hating voice. So it is happened here. See, let's see what will happen then. "Kamala, who is it?" her mother asked loudly from the veranda. So at that time when they started to communicate each other, at that time the mother who sat in an armchair in the veranda, she called out. So "Kamala, who is that? Who is that?" She started to ask in that way. So immediately Gopi the man said, Gopi said himself, "Mummy, I am Gopi. Basically, I have a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I completed it and I am going back to my place. But in the middle of my journey, I just came here to look you." So he said his feelings in that way to his mother. "So who? Kamala, who is it?" There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Basically, when Gopi explained about him, the mother did not understand his words and did not understand him. That's why she asked again to her daughter, "Who came to our home? Who is that?" So she again asked her daughter. "Now, Amma, why are you so scared, Kamala?" Gopi's eldest sister asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. "Mummy, why you are getting so scared?" Scared means fear. So why you are so excited to know about him who came to our home today? It is not anybody. It's our family member, that is Gopi. Is this any first time you are looking Gopi? So why you are showing that kind of excitement to know? I don't know. Please control yourself, mom. Don't make nuisance. I can definitely explain you. So in that way, Kamala explained his view with her mother. "Amma, it's Gopi," he said again. Again Gopi said, "Mummy, it's me. I am Gopi. I came from my place here to look you. Actually, I have a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I completed that meeting and again I am going back to my place. So, in the middle of my journey, I came here to see both of you. Please hope you understand." So, in that way, Gopi explained. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. "Amma, it's me." So, after explaining Gopi, still the mother did not identify him. That's why now Gopi what is doing? So he's taking his face very close to his mother's cheeks and he said, "Mummy, it's me, Gopi. Please identify me. I'm your son. Please hope you understand this." So why you are not identifying me? Why you are asking me again and again the same question? We are getting so irritation. Please hope you understand. I am your son, not anybody. Please understand. Gopi, Kamala. I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Gopi. Oh my God. Kamala, seriously, I am not believing it. Why? It is sudden unexpected visit happened by him today. Is there any school vacation? Is there any school vacation? So she asked again and again the same question to them. Amma is often like this these days. Now Kamala is explaining about her mother condition to her younger brother. So Gopi, it is our mother situation. So in these days, nowadays, mom is behaving like that. She is not at all recognizing people, and she is continuously asking the same question repeatedly. So it is her condition. I think it is she is in bad condition. So she doesn't recognize anybody. So she is not identifying anyone. Gopi sister explained. So Kamala explained everything about her mother condition to her younger brother. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. You know, Gopi, she is not recognizing anybody properly now. But sometimes I don't believe that. Sometimes her memory is so sharp. She can recollect everything. She can remember everyone. She can recognize everybody. But most of the times, she is not at all recognizing you. So I think you are feeling that situation right now. So this is our mother condition now. So in that way, Kamala explaining about her mother to Gopi. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. You know something, sometimes she usually asked me about your letters. So basically, when you left us, after some years, you used to write letters. Then what happened in yourself, we don't know. You stopped to write. But she still continuously, every day, she is getting excitement about your letter. So she usually asks me, so is this any letter from Gopi today? So in that way, our mother daily asking me. But I said her many times lies, because you are not writing letters. But I said her, oh, he is writing, everything fine with him. And Vimala and also Gopi's children, everybody fine there. So in that way, I'm just telling to our mother, because of her happiness. I just want to make our mother happy in her last days. I don't want to make her unhappy. That's why I said lie many times with her. So why you stopped to write letters? I don't know. But she is daily asking me about your letters. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? You know something, you stopped to write letters to us last 1 year. So why you stopped to write? I don't know. Poor thing. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. So I never want to make my mother unhappy. That's why I said with her many times lies. So basically I'm not getting any letter from you. But I said I'm daily getting letter from you. So it is what I'm doing for the happiness of mother in the home daily. Okay. I got a promotion last year. After that I am always on my toes. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Now Gopi is talking to her sister Kamala. Look, my dear sister, basically I got a promotion last year. So after I got the promotion, I am getting number of tours. So frequently I am getting tours. And so because of that busy schedule, I am not able to write. I am not getting any free time to write letters to you. Please hope you understand, my dear sister. This is my problem. That's why I did not write letters for you since last year. So please hope you understand this. So it is my situation. So after I got the promotion, I'm just I am always on my toys, so I am very busy with myself. Because of that, I am not writing letters. Hope you understand. Okay, my dear students, it is our session. I am hoping you are enjoying with this session, and we'll continue the story in our next video. Until then, everyone, have bye and see you. Have a nice day and take good practice. Okay, see you there.